Hey guys, Gamer Mode here and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 7 45mm Midnight aluminum case with Midnight Sport Band. This is a cellular and a GPS watch. The retail price of this watch is 799 Australian dollars, but I bought this one on Optus because they're offering $100 off when I purchased this watch. So currently, just to give you guys a heads up, if you're planning to get an iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro, or iPhone 13 Pro Max, I would suggest that you'll get it through Optus, because if you're gonna get it on a 24 to 36 month plan, you'll be able to get a free watch. So it's a Series 7, I think 41mm watch. So yeah, that will save you around 599 probably. But that offer is only available here in Australia. So check that one out. So let's open the watch band first. So this is one of the reason why you're paying $799 just for a watch. So one of that is a premium packaging like this. So inside the box, you will get this information about the watch band. So the color of this Apple Watch band is midnight black as well, to go well with the midnight black aluminum case of the watch. And then you'll also get the watch band itself. So you've got two choices, so small to medium size and your medium to large size, but for me I'll use the small to medium one. So this is quite new with the Series 7. They've got a plastic cover for the metal end of the Apple Watch band, that one there. So that's your watch band there. So guys, let me know in the comment section down below if you're gonna get an Apple Watch Series 7, which one or which color will you get for yourself. I'm quite excited with this one, guys, because although I have a Series 4, there is a slight change with your Series 4 and your Series 7. So your Series 4, you need to put your wrist up to activate the screen, while your Series 7, so you can always turn the screen on, so which is actually good. So it's like you're having a real watch, because the problem with the Series 4, if you're not using the watch, it's empty, so there's nothing to it. So it will only activate if you put your wrist up towards your face. That's pretty much it. So I'm struggling to open this box, so bear with me, guys. I'm trying my best to open this box. So there I go, I think I've got it. That's it, finally we managed to open it. So inside the box, you've got these paperworks. So designed by Apple in California, and you will get information about the watch, on how to put the strap on how to turn it on how to charge it. There you go. And another information sheet for your watch as well. That's pretty much everything inside of this paperwork packaging. So I think I was actually checking if there's an Apple sticker, but there isn't. So that's it, and this is your charging cable. And last but not the least is your watch itself. So with the packaging of your watch, it's a bit different as well from the covering of the Series 4. There you go. So this is the watch itself. How do you guys like it so far? I do like it because I like the color of black. I'm just turning it on and then putting the watch band on. That's it. Struggled to put that one on, so that one is in now. So that's all with your unboxing, guys. Thanks a lot for your time. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel as well, so if I do review or unbox something, you'll be notified. As always, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. God bless.